Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another mini vlog or visiting the farm here at Hong Kong. So this time we're going to strawberry farm, and there is vegetables also here, and you can see a goat. So only goat lang yung animals dito sa farm. So you can see this beautiful strawberry, the red strawberry here. So this is called Phoenix Farm or Phoenix Farm. So you can do strawberry picking here, and cherry tomatoes, and some vegetables. There's some vegetables here like pak choy, choy sam, and I don't know what kind of vegetables. I want like a cabbage. So there is two kinds of strawberry here, the red one and the white one. So the white one is a bit more expensive, and the red one is a bit cheaper. So itong red one yung pinpick namin, and then some white one. So together with my employer, guys. So it's so nice to be here. So first time ko itong mag-strawberry picking dito. So there is a cherry tomatoes on the side, and nakita nyo yan. So many, right? And then this is a strawberry, the white strawberry. And there is the called pak choy. So atin pichay tawag dito. So meron pang mga vegetables na hindi pa na-harvest. Yung nagkakasimula pa nilang magtanim dyan. And then there's some spinach also, kaya lang naubos na. Ito ay, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Parang siyang cauliflower siguro. I don't know what is that. Basta ganyan. And then there is some Chinese vegetables also. I don't know what it's called. Parang bali chai, maganon. And then spinach. And then lofa, meron din dito. Ito yung cherry tomatoes kasi pumunta pa kami sa kabila na farm. Kasi dalawa itong nila, taniman ng mayroon pa doon sa kabila. So ito yung sa kabila. So madaming dito. Mas marami dito yung strawberry. Kaya napunta kami dito sa kabila kasi mas marami dito. As nabubulok lang, sayang, no? 'Di ba sayang yung strawberry, nabubulok lang. Pwede na yung gawing strawberry charm. So 'di ba hindi lahat, guys. Hindi ma-harvest lahat. Sayang, nahihinayang ko sa ibang strawberry na nabubulok lang. Tingnan mo, fragile kasi itong strawberry. So ayan, dito yung strawberry. So diba, ang cute lang nila. Ang cute. Tapos iba, syempre, overripe na, guys. So hindi na kinukuha. So ayan, some are overripe. Hindi na din yung iba, hindi na hindi na ma-harvest lahat kasi sunod-sunod at saka sobrang dami. So nakapanghinayang din, no, na mabubulok lang yung ibang strawberry. But we enjoyed picking strawberry here, especially si Natalie. Nag-enjoy siya dito. Si Davina lang ayaw kasi sabi niya dirty. ayaw niyang pumunta dyan at pumunta niya sa strawberry, guys. Sa tabi-tabi lang siya. Ayaw pumunta sa gitna. So, dyan siya sa tabi. Like ganitong strawberry. Oh, ayan, diba? So red. It's so beautiful strawberries. And some are here. So dito, 'di ba? Ayan lang siya, guys. So 'di ba, ang super dami dito. Come to the ibigay ko sa inyo yung way, guys, para pumunta dito when you take a bus. So ilalagay ko diyan sa sa wall or sa comment section kung paano puntahan itong strawberry farm na to. So cheap lang din naman tong strawberry. Pwede kayo bumili ng strawberry dito at mag-harvest dito. Madami pa pwede pa pumunta. Super dami pa itong strawberry dito. So ayan lang, guys, ang strawberry farm experience namin dito sa Hong Kong. So ito yung white one na sinasabi ko sa inyo, pero mas masarap itong white one. Kaya lang a bit expensive lang talaga itong white one. White na strawberry, pero ito yung mas masarap. Itong white na strawberry. Mas masarap pala ito siya kaysa sa red. So yung red kasi 'di ba ito medyo matamis-tamis ito. Itong white one. So I like this white one than the red one, the red strawberry, kasi natikman ko to siya. Masarap tong white. Masarap tong white na strawberry kaysa doon sa red. So ayan ito yung strawberry farm dito, guys, sa Hong Kong. So ayan lang, guys, yung ating visiting the strawberry farm and some vegetables here at Hong Kong. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan niyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.